Picture an outreach campaign where each lead moves through stages, all while being accurately tracked in your ActiveCampaign CRM. To do so, we need to add extra actions to the campaign. Email is a required field for a contact in ActiveCampaign. Luckily, once profiles accept your invitation request, their emails become available and Linked Helper can scrape this data by means of the Visit and Extract action. So, let's add it to the workflow right after the filter action. Now, under this Visit and Extract, click Add Action button and find Send Person to External CRM action. Choose ActiveCampaign CRM. We have a video that shows how to get an access token and configure expert settings. Let's add a field to update lead status. Click plus button and for the Linked Helper field, select constant value. On this stage, contacts will be marked as accepted, and we'll use tags field in ActiveCampaign to update the status. Select Override so that Linked Helper can update the information in the field. Do not save it as default settings because default settings will be applied to other actions in your campaign, and you don't want to label contacts as accepted on each stage. Click Save instead. Now let's repeat the steps for the next action. Below the Message to First Connections action, add another Send Person to External CRM. Choose Constant Value option again, and let's label contacts as First Follow-up Received. For the CRM field, tags. Tick Override and save. For Check for Replies, you don't need to add an action below it. Instead, find the built-in option in the settings to send reply to external CRM. Activate it, select ActiveCampaign and adjust the settings. Name the stage as Reply to Follow-up. Seems like we've added enough fields. But what if contacts reply something to your connection message? Scroll up and select Message to First Connections action. It also tracks replies to your previous message when the reply detection is enabled. So let's send these replies as well. Activate Send Reply to External CRM just like we did with the Check for Replies. Mark leads as replied to invite. When you start the campaign, it will run as usual, prioritizing actions with profiles and queues and the earliest start at times. In my case, Linked Helper is starting with visiting the profiles page, and as soon as all the data, including the email, is fetched, Linked Helper will send this profile to ActiveCampaign with accepted tag. Don't forget to make tags column visible in the settings of ActiveCampaign. Once the follow-up message is sent, the lead's status will update to First Follow-up Received.